practice. Have you talking to Nick?
Yeah. We've been talking on. We IM each other every once in a while. Yeah, he said he was doing good.
What are the coaches telling you?
Coach telling me to just keep putting in work, and they're ready for me to come in.
What are you planning on doing next year?
We plan on trying to get back to the Final Four.
You talked to Grant Darrell?
I talked to him. I seen him in the airport. That's when I talked to him. Yeah, I talked to him in the airport. I ain't seen him since.
What's going on with Brandon? Brandon working?
Yeah, I've been talking to him. Yeah, I've been talking to him.
What are your impressions on him right now? How's his game going?
He's coming along. He's just getting bigger. He's moving out to the wing a little bit. He's small forward, so I mean, he's good. He's big. He's good. I like him.
Now, when you and Nick are on the floor next year, it's going to be like old times. Well, what can we expect?
We expect lives. We expect me and him in the backcourt just running.
What's going else going on this summer?
Just working out. Working out. Being there with my family before I leave off to college.
What are you working on your game most? What's improved the most?
My jumper improved the most. Jump shot.
Yeah. How'd you improve that? Just shooting?
Just shooting all the time. It's improved a lot.
Right on. And what made you decide to become an Arizona Wildcat?
Everything about it. I mean, they got everything I need. Coaching staff. They got the weather. I like it. The place where it is, close to home. Everything about it, I like.
Really tough questions, but who do you think's the next great point guard you?